what?
Ooh,
Pinktober. In the celebration, stand by your side.
Pinktober has come the time for peace. We all come together in unity. No negative thinking for the cause of women. We remember. We strengthen our hearts for the women of this land. A kiss of love, we declare it loud. Pinktober celebration, we're walking this road proud. It's time to help and spread awareness. We know breast cancer is not something to dismiss. Pinktober, we gather our strength. We say don't let your heart be distressed. Our women, we proudly proclaim. In Pinktober, we're here to lift your name. October shows a new skin. Women overcome pain and are cleansed within. Doctors speak out, we must know that taking care is something we should never let go. We work together, men and women alike, learning the signs to keep our women bright. Pink on the body, pink in the style. Pinktober celebration in a top fashion for a while. Pinktober, we gather our strength. We say don't let your heart be distressed. Our women, we proudly proclaim. In Pinktober, we're here to lift your name. Children and fathers, everyone united. They think of mothers, staying strong and undivided. A time for reflection and making a plan. How we can better care for the women of our land. Experts guide us on this path. We work together, doing our parts. Another year comes, pink will still stand. We must never let go of this noble stand. Pinktober, we gather our strength. We say don't let your heart be distressed. Our women, we proudly proclaim. In Pinktober, we're here to lift your name. The words of medicine and real talk. We must listen so we can now walk the walk. It's our job to do it right, for together we can win this fight. The women of PNG, you're not alone. We come together to help and make it known. Compassion and awareness, these are real. Pinktober says we must work together to heal. Pinktober, we gather our strength. We say don't let your heart be distressed. Our women, we proudly proclaim. In Pinktober, we're here to lift your name. A time for reflection, a time to unite. Our women are strong, their spirit shines bright.